Hey guys, it's Dawn from Princess Mom's Travel Tips, back with our cooking our way around Epcot. So we've been lots of places so far: Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, and Japan. And we're gonna go back to the American Pavilion to do our smoked turkey legs. What you'll need is 4 turkey legs, water, ice, kosher salt, brown sugar, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. You're going to bring the water to a boil. While you bring that to a boil, you can add all those dry ingredients to a large bowl. By the way, guys, we are making the brine here for the turkey legs to sit in. They'll be sitting in the brine for 24 hours. Once you add the hot water, you're just going to stir it around until the salt dissolves in the water. Then you're going to add ice. Had a little problem getting that ice to let it go, let it go. Yeah, that's my Frozen joke. My daughter rolled her eyes. Just no worries. She's got that taken care of. You just add the brine to a large container with the turkey legs, and you'll put that into the fridge for 24 hours. The very next day. Now we're going to prepare for smoking, so we need a barbecue spice, wood chips, and of course the turkey legs out of the fridge. You're going to take them out of the brine, and you're going to pat them dry with a paper towel. Once they are all dried off, you're going to add the barbecue seasoning. I got my barbecue seasoning at Cabela's or Bass Pro Shop. I just really like their spice blends. I have all of them, I swear. But any barbecue rub will do. Some smoking info. So I don't really want to get into all you have to do for smoking, because I'm not a smoking expert, and there certainly is enough videos on YouTube about smoking anything and everything you want. Our smoker, we have a probe to put in it, so we'll take the temperature. What I did was preheat our smoker to 225, and then added the chips in the bottom, and then the turkey legs to the grill. Our smoker is not a very fancy smoker, so I really had to pay attention to the temperature, bringing it up and down and up and down. You pretty much have to be around the whole time. We're halfway there. We'll just check on them. Open up your smoker. Be lots of smoke that'll come out at you. We smoked these for 3.5 hours total, and by the magic of movie making, they're all done. The internal temperature of the turkey legs is 165. Take them out of the smoker, and I wrap them up for them to rest. I did turn off the smoker at this point, and when I wrapped them up, I did put them back in the smoker just to keep them warm. That is the smoked turkey leg, guys, from the American Pavilion in Epcot. Just be enjoying a bite. Remember, I leave the recipe in the comments below, in the description below, actually. And thanks for joining us, guys. And hopefully you can join us next time when we go to Morocco. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Remember to check us out and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Princess Mom's Travel Tips. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.